Hello everyone, I'm Sarah. Welcome to Graphking Printer Factory. It's a professional large format printers manufacturer in China. The factory aggregates design, research and development, production and sales, and has been supplying the market with high quality and good prices printers for almost 20 years. Look, this is our spacious production department. This is our spare parts area, machine packing area, our warehouse. Our factory mainly engaged in wholesale and retail of different type printers and related consumables. Our popular products include eco-solvent printer, sublimation printer, UV printer, DTF printer, and so on. Different levels and sizes fit all your needs. We are also looking for distributors. Welcome to join us.